Hi everybody, this is Kav. I am here greeting from Will Talk Institution. Well, I'm going to have a session of a refutation. Here is kind of debate talking on the topic prohibition of non-veg in India. Oh, excuse me, what? What? Here, 90% people eat non-veg in the world. And that is why we have decided to debate on this topic prohibiting or banning the non-veg in India or in the world maybe. Is it okay to eat non-veg or not? You should also share your views in the comment box. I'm going into the auditorium, greet with my trainees, and let me ask what they think about it. Come. Hello, everybody. You are keen to talk today, or you are excited to talk? Are
We are really excited and we are keen to talk about this topic and we are gonna definitely win this debate.
I mean to say that here 90% people eat non-veg in the world.
Yeah.
What a cruel you are. How cruel you are.
I mean, sir, we are not cruel. We are a good human being. We eat so that we can live. That's the reason. And we
Any
need
logic reason that you have? Because see, Nathan is watching you. Nathan can't forgive you. All right. Of course, you are promoting non-veg. I mean,
Sir, I have a deficiency of B12. How am I gonna, fulfill that? So I need to eat non-veg.
my
I need to
goodness.
eat meat, chicken, so that I can fulfill my deficiency of B12.
So many people are getting affected by so many diseases, because of eating chicken. See, eating chicken is fine, but injected chickens, oh my goodness. Because of fulfilling the needs of the people, we are injecting chickens and we are eating there. We are getting affected by so many diseases. You are promoting diseases here in this country.
I said chicken is not the only thing that is affecting, inviting us so much diseases. There are so many things, but chicken makes us strong. We become muscular, powerful. That's the reason we should eat, definitely.
Exactly.
Why not?
I mean, the point. What do you want to say, sir? I mean, why are you promoting non-veg here?
Sir, because in this time, in this generation, we can't grow more vegetables because our involved population is.
What? India is actually one of the most agricultural countries in the world.
But we can't provide lots of vegetable because we have a less vegetable and other
So because
things.
of having deficiency of vegetable, you're cutting animals here? You should eat, I think, lakadi. I'm going to invite one person from that team to come here and talk to you guys right now. Are you ready for that? Yes. He's going to, pulverize you here today. Oh my God. Hello, Mr. GK, can you come here? You guys continue debating. GK, come here. So they are saying, hi GK.
Hello, sir.
Thank you for joining here.
My pleasure, sir.
So here, these people are saying that because of having deficiency of vegetables, they are saying we should cut all the animals and eat. My goodness.
How they can speak like that, sir? Because of having deficiency of veg, you're eating non-veg. It means
Is it okay if I say
Of
shame
course,
on you? I mean,
of
is
course,
it
yeah,
okay?
it's okay to say
Shame
that
on you
same
guys.
on you guys. If it's a lion is coming, if a lion is coming to me and he is not getting goat, then he will eat me, as they're saying.
Of course they're saying.
Of course. It's his nature.
And
it is his nature.
And they, sir, they always prefer to eat non-veg because they are like emotionless people. Yes.
You come here, please.
You don't have fear to cut them, okay?
How can you say that
Because
we are
I have
emotionless?
seen.
Mind
Because
your
you
word.
cut like
Mind your
animal.
word. Mind
your word.
Bite.
How you can say?
Bite your tongue, okay?
Bite
Let me tell
your
you.
tongue.
We have emotion. When you take medicine, and how is that medicine is made?
Yeah.
Chopping the animals, butchering the
Oh.
But
He wants to marry, but he doesn't want wife.
animals. Yeah, of course.
You want to marry, but you don't want wife.
we also take Ayurveda. What about that? What?
No one take Ayurveda.
Oh, you don't take. I take. Okay.
If you don't take, you should promote, na. You should promote. If you don't take, so don't take.
Don't take.
At least promote it. Promote Ayurveda, right? Come
Yeah,
on.
if I have a pain and I go for Ayurveda, it will take a week to reduce that pain,
course.
subside that pain.
And the medicine you are taking, which is also destroying your body. What about that?
It is not destroyed.
Really not
Coming to you. Okay, please don't beat him, okay? Hi, sir, what are you thinking about this?
So I'm thinking the deficiency of vitamins there is available in non-veg as well. Like if I talk about the vitamin 12 on omega 3 and zinc and calcium also, they provide me this kind of things in
Omega is made because of non-veg. Omega 3 is made by non-veg.
Yes, sir. Egg and all the things, because I have a problem of omega 3 and doctor said to me you have to eat a non-vegetarian food. I like chicken and egg. Then I started eating non-veg
He's
food.
a muscular guy, sir.
Because of non-veg.
Yeah, I eat all the things, sir.
You're not eating non-veg.
I eat non-veg.
Tell the logic point that you're supporting today.
Logic point is our elder was also elder were also eating that.
Elders were eating dhatura as well. Will you eat dhatura?
No, sir.
He's saying our ancestors were eating non-veg. That's why I will also eat. Our ancestors ate dhatura.
For living in the world, we have to eat, sir.
You can eat veg actually for living.
It's
on
not
this.
enough for us. We are a lot of people in the world. If we will eat only vegetables, so it will be not enough for us.
My goodness. Coming back to you after some time, please continue having words. Hey guys, can I intervene you guys? Yes. So they are saying that it is not enough. Like on this earth, wage is not available. The agriculture is not that much. That is why to fulfill our needs, to fill this stomach, we have to cut and chop and slaughter the animals. Yeah.
Sir, we are making farms to produce more and more animals.
No doubt.
This is our fault that we are making these kind of things. We can promote farming as well on the spot of this.
See, I mean, see, according to the population, see, having look on the population of this world, we are unable to produce that much, wage, and that much, grains. That is why we have to slaughter the animals to eat.
But sir, populations are also increasing. So why we are not cutting humans and eating them?
Animals will eat.
Of course,
Animals
Animals
eat.
can
That's
also
why we
eat.
need to cut animals. See, if population of animals are also increasing, you need to understand that. Population of animals are also increasing. If you don't slaughter them, they will start eating you.
But sir, as he said that the populations of humans are also increasing,
Huh?
and they are also being the cause of global harming and all. Also cut the peoples, kill the peoples.
Hey Prasant, come here. He is actually burning. He's burning today. By the way, emotionally, personally, spiritually, ethically, he's a pure vegetarian, right?
Yeah, of course.
Of course, come on. But logically, publicly, he's a damn non-vegetarian.
Yes, sir.
But you never ate it.
No.
Come on. There's, please say something. What did you say?
I am saying if you want to eat animals, so start eating human beings also, because
Of course,
human
of
beings
course.
population
Of
are
course.
also increasing.
Start eating elephant as well.
Start eating your family members.
Oh
If
my
you are
God,
this
oh my
much
God.
protein oriented, so you start
Oh.
eating and cut your family members and eat it.
You should start eating your brother. Oh my God.
Not, I will say, if that situation arrives, we all will eat human beings. Let's suppose I'm stranded somewhere in a secluded area, and if there is nothing to eat for my survival, I will chop the human being and
Ah,
survive.
wow.
Why not?
It is possible.
It means, sir, he is saying that if I'm going to travel with my friend
Huh?
and I don't have anything to eat,
Of course.
I will eat my friend.
Yes.
And what?
Of
Wait.
course.
Sir, everything is sir.
He mentioned the problem here.
Survival.
Problem, but
Of course.
But
I'm
sir-
bounded somewhere. I'm stuck somewhere.
Sir.
I don't have any option, right?
my-
sir,
survival.
everything is retained in history. Okay.
Yes.
And what kind of message they want to give to the history that don't go with any friends?
It's not a message, it's a choice.
It will
choice.
be. It will be
I
written
don't
like
know.
Oh my
choice.
God.
It's a choice.
Whole nation is watching you. We'll
Yes.
never forgive you.
Yes.
We'll never. He's
See,
saying.
people
Oh,
is a choice.
he's saying that if I get stuck somewhere, I will chop my friend to it. My goodness.
Chop yourself and eat yourself. Chop your hand and eat
my
your
God.
hand.
Oh my
Don't
God.
chop your friend's hand and
Yes.
don't chop your friend.
Shame on you. Yeah.
See, sir, if I'm stranded somewhere and there is nothing to eat.
Yeah.
No water, nothing.
Yeah.
I will drink my blood. I will cut anyone if I find. Why not? For my survival, I will do
Exactly.
it. I will become self-centered, selfish. Why not? You all are self-centered.
But my brother, okay, in that situation he can eat.
So do
But
you
what
want-
about this situation? Here you have everything, but still you are eating animal. What about this
It's
situation?
not compulsion.
It's
Of
not
course,
compulsion.
At Kapurthala
Here-
Chowraha, you're eating
Biryani,
chicken burger.
chicken burger.
Of course.
Chicken-
What is the compulsion
Sir,
here?
in that situation, she was talking about the human being. And here I have so many options. So I will
No,
eat.
you mentioned the compulsion. In a compulsion, I can eat somebody, right?
Yeah, of
What is the compulsion at Kapurthala Chowraha?
For my deficiency, sir. For my deficiency. I am lack of deficiency.
Deficiency
B12.
of what?
If I want to fulfill my deficiency, I should eat.
What is your deficiency?
B12. Sir,
B12. Oh.
B10. Why not? You all are not. Why not?
Exactly.
You take. Do you take B12 or not? Do you
B12?
Take B12 vitamin.
No, he's
you
not.
All,
He's
they
not
all
taking.
take, sir. They are
No.
lying.
Arre,
They
how
are-
can you force
do
it?
you-
How do you
fulfill
survive?
your deficiency?
And
Any
you have to
vitamin.
eat vegetables and vegetable juice and fruits juice.
Of
That
course.
will
It has more
make me
calories.
more healthier.
That's the reason you have most deficient guy. Malnutrition guy.
He himself said that. He himself. One second. Excuse me. Come here. Sir. You are also saying that we should eat non-veg, right?
Yes, sir.
Of course. So tell reason, please.
Sir, because I want
Array, you speak here. Come on.
I want to support because I want to be an non-vegetarian because I want to be rich.
Guys, I want to die. I want to die.
I want to. Let me speak, sir.
You want to become rich? That's why you want to eat non-veg?
Yes.
Oh my God.
I want
I
answer.
know.
It means he is saying that we killing animals and I am getting money.
Of course.
If he is getting 100 rupees, I will kill
sir, let
people.
me-
I will get 1,000 rupees.
Sir, let
I will be more rich.
Yes.
I will kill
If first
people.
of all, let him prove. How can you become rich?
After, you know,
His voice. Let him speak.
Of course. He will explain.
I want to be because, you know, non-veg food is carrying economy of India. Nowadays, of course, you have to believe it. And if you-
Economy of this country.
Yes, but
India is the biggest.
What is he promoting, guys? What is he promoting? Where are you? Subscribe the channel. Subscribe the channel.
Sir, India is the biggest beef exporter in the world.
Yes.
Then where is your emotion?
It should not be.
Yes, sir. It is same for us.
It is same for us.
Same for us.
Hey, dear Adharaniya Pradhan Mantri, stop it.
Stop it.
Of course.
Prime
These
Minister.
people. No. He has Article 21. Yes.
Prime Minister ji, I have a right to eat non-vegetarian. So please, it's my humble request. Do not stop this. Because of this, so many people are
Adharaniya Pradhan Mantri, I'm touching your feet. I'm touching.
Mr. Prime Minister,
I am prostrating in front of you, please.
I want to be rich and live a luxurious life, sumptuous life.
But let's be logical here. Come on. If our country's economy is growing and increasing just because of beef, guys, wait.
maximum 30%.
Not only beef, sir.
Nee, not only beef, but our country is one of the most
Exporter, most
exporter.
sir. If he wants,
Do you feel proud?
no.
Listening this line?
No, sir.
Huh? Of course. You should not feel proud.
But if he's wrong, so why not restricted is a country bend here? na?
Because you people. Because you people. Of course. See.
Why export other
If government stops, you people will start protesting against it.
Yes.
And that is why government is compelled to ban this non-veg in this country. Yeah.
Sir, I have one question.
Yeah, please.
Do you drink milk? Do you drink milk? Yes, I do. You
No.
They all, sir, they.
Honey, yeah.
How to say honey is veg? How? Why?
Honey is veg.
No, honey is not veg.
Honey is honey is non-veg. Honey is non-veg. What? Honey is non-veg.
Sir. Killed eggs.
But we are not killing someone, na?
Oh, you are killing baby or bunny?
Bees. Killed bees. no?
Bees. Honey bees. Eggs.
Multiple eggs. Multiple bees.
In
Sir,
chatta.
firstly we have
Made by machine.
Sir,
How to made by machine? Yeah.
wait.
No,
How to
my,
made by machine?
I'm asking about,
If
yes.
you eat anything who is made by milk, as like ghee and other curd, that is also from comes from animal.
Absolutely, yes, come on. You speak. Yes, everything
For
comes
the
from-
for the non-veg it should have the blood and the flesh also. But it doesn't have flesh and the blood in the milk and the other ghee products.
So you can have milk and fish and
No,
First off,
non-veg means blood
No,
and
one-
flesh.
One second. You come here.
Yes, sir.
He said that we can become rich because of eating non-veg. Yeah. Prove them first. You will be beaten today. Yes, sir. Of course. Not by words you will be beaten, not by.
Sir, I want to
Arey, Mike, why should be here? Come on.
I want to tell you one thing. So because 2 years ago, no sorry, 200 years ago, people used to.
How old are you? Excuse me.
History,
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh my God.
history says, sir, you didn't read any history, so that's why you were saying.
I didn't read history.
Two-
I didn't read history. You're doubting at me.
No, sir. So 20
Of course. Yes.
20 years ago, people used to
200.
200.
So people used to eat.
Yes, 2000 years ago, people used to kill animals to survive. So you have to for surviving, and you are
And they were still poor.
No,
Then how can you say?
and I want to tell you.
You said we can become rich because of eating non-veg. You said that.
No.
Before some time you
I
said,
want to say-
make him out of the class.
Sir,
He said we can become rich because of eating non-veg. He said that. He said that.
Let me explain.
What did you?
I said that I want to be a non-veg because I want.
I want to be non-veg. I want to be non-veg.
I want to become non-veg.
I want to become non-veg. What? He wants to become non-veg. He wants to become non-veg. He is saying I am non-veg.
Sir, they are making me discombobulation, sir.
Say I want to become non-vegetarian.
I want to become non-vegetarian because
Order biryani please for him.
Sir, I have one question. In this generation, people also offers non-vegetarian food to God. What about that?
No! It is sensitive point. It is sensitive. No! I'm sorry. It's very sensitive. Guys, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in another video. Bye-bye. Take care. Have a nice day. No! It's very sensitive. It's very sensitive. God, it is very sensitive point.
No, sir. People offers non-vegetarian.
No, I'm sorry. Thank you so much. Sit down and we have conferencing debate.
That is the mentality of the people.
Please everybody sit down. Please everybody sit down. Please everybody. So you were saying the people are cutting animals in the name of God.
For offering God,
God.
because it is a
Janta.
It is a ritual.
Janta will answer you. Don't worry.
Yes, sir.
And you people share your views in comment box. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you so much.